Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some of the most mind-blowing questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. From the depths of our consciousness to the edges of the universe, we're about to explore the biggest mysteries that keep us staring at the ceiling at night. Get ready for a cosmic roller coaster, because we're tackling questions like, are we alone? And what is the universe actually made of? We'll delve into the strange world of quantum mechanics, ponder the future of artificial intelligence, and explore the very essence of what it means to be alive. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. And finally, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Before we dive into the profound question of consciousness, let's take a moment to marvel at the incredible organ that makes it all possible: the human brain. This 3-pound mass of neural tissue is the most complex object in the known universe. It's responsible for every thought, emotion, and memory you've ever had. But how does it work? How do billions of neurons communicate with each other to create our subjective experience of reality? Scientists have made remarkable strides in understanding the brain's structure and function, yet many mysteries remain. In this segment, we'll explore the latest discoveries in neuroscience, from the intricate neural networks that govern our behavior to the enigmatic phenomenon of neuroplasticity, the brain's remarkable ability to rewire itself. We'll also touch on the cutting-edge technologies that are helping us unlock the secrets of the brain, such as functional MRI and brain-computer interfaces. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of the human brain as we set the stage for our next big question: what is consciousness? Stay tuned. Before we delve into the profound question of consciousness, let's take a fascinating detour into a realm that bridges our waking life and the subconscious dreams. Every night, our brains conjure up vivid experiences, taking us on journeys that can be as mundane as walking through a park or as fantastical as flying through space. But what are dreams, and why do we have them? Despite being a universal human experience, dreams remain one of the most enigmatic aspects of our mental life. Scientists have proposed various theories, from dreams being a way to process emotions and memories to them serving as a virtual reality simulator, helping us navigate complex social situations. Recent advances in neuroimaging have allowed researchers to peek into the dreaming brain, revealing intricate patterns of activity that correlate with different stages of sleep. Yet many questions remain unanswered. What triggers specific dream content? Can we control our dreams? And could dreams hold the key to understanding the nature of consciousness itself? Join us as we unravel the mystery of dreams, setting the stage for our next big question: what is consciousness? Stay tuned, unmasking dark matter and energy, delving into the unseen forces that shape our universe. While we navigate our daily lives, an astonishing 85% of the matter in the universe remains invisible to us. This elusive substance, known as dark matter, doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it completely undetectable by conventional means. But how do we know it exists? Through its gravitational effects on galaxies and clusters of galaxies, dark matter reveals itself as a cosmic skeleton holding the universe together. And then there's dark energy, an even more mysterious force that makes up about 70% of the universe. Unlike dark matter, dark energy is thought to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe. Imagine blowing up a balloon, but instead of slowing down as it expands, the balloon starts inflating faster and faster. That's the effect of dark energy. Despite being fundamental to our understanding of the universe, dark matter and dark energy remain some of the greatest enigmas in modern physics. Scientists around the world are racing to unlock their secrets using advanced technology and innovative experiments. Could these hidden forces hold the key to a new era in cosmology? Join us as we explore the shadowy realms of dark matter and energy, and get ready to ponder our next cosmic mystery: what is consciousness? Stay tuned. The enigma of time and space. Have you ever wondered what time really is, or how space can bend and warp around massive objects? Time and space are the very fabric of our universe, yet their true nature remains one of the most profound mysteries in science. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time and space are interconnected in a four-dimensional continuum known as space-time. This revolutionary idea changed our understanding of gravity, showing that massive objects like stars and planets curve space-time around them. But what does that mean for us? Imagine placing a heavy ball on a trampoline. The ball creates a dip, and anything rolling nearby will be drawn toward it. That's how gravity works in our universe. Yet questions remain. What is the true nature of time? Is it a river flowing forward, or could it be more like a vast landscape we can traverse in different directions? And what lies beyond the edges of our observable universe? As scientists probe deeper with advanced telescopes and particle accelerators, we inch closer to unveiling these cosmic secrets. Could understanding time and space unlock new dimensions of reality? Stay with us as we continue this journey into the unknown, moving next to the perplexing question, what is consciousness? Stay tuned. Can we live forever? The quest to extend human lifespan. Investigating the science and ethics of immortality. Imagine a world where aging is a thing of the past, where humans can live for centuries, or even indefinitely. Advances in medical science, genetics, and biotechnology are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Scientists are exploring ways to repair and regenerate tissues, combat age-related diseases, and even slow down or reverse the aging process itself. But with these groundbreaking possibilities come profound ethical questions. What would a world with vastly extended lifespans look like? How would it affect our societies, economies, and the environment? Would immortality be accessible to all or just a privileged few? And what does it mean to live a meaningful life if that life has no end? Join us as we dive into the fascinating and complex quest to extend human lifespan, exploring the scientific breakthroughs and the moral dilemmas they present. Now let's move on to another profound question. What is consciousness? Stay tuned. The ethics of genetic engineering. Delving into the moral implications of altering our genetic code. Imagine a future where genetic disorders are a thing of the past, where we can design our offspring to be healthier, smarter, and even more resilient. Advances in CRISPR technology and other genetic engineering tools are making this future seem increasingly possible. Scientists are already working on ways to edit genes to prevent inherited diseases, enhance physical and cognitive abilities, and even extend human lifespan. But with these advancements come profound ethical questions. Who gets to decide which traits are desirable? Could genetic engineering lead to a new form of inequality, where only the wealthy can afford to enhance their children? What are the potential risks of altering the human genome, and how do we weigh those risks against the potential benefits? And perhaps most importantly, what does it mean to be human if we can so fundamentally alter our biology? Join us as we explore the fascinating and complex world of genetic engineering, examining both the scientific possibilities and the ethical dilemmas they present. Now let's move on to another profound question. What is consciousness? Stay tuned. The possibilities and paradoxes of faster-than-light travel. Examining the theories and challenges of breaking the cosmic speed limit. Imagine being able to travel to distant galaxies in a matter of days or even hours. This dream has captivated scientists and science fiction enthusiasts alike for decades. But is faster-than-light travel really possible? According to Einstein's theory of relativity, nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. However, new theories and discoveries in quantum mechanics and general relativity suggest that there might be loopholes to this cosmic speed limit. Concepts like wormholes, warp drives, and quantum tunneling offer tantalizing possibilities, but also come with their own set of paradoxes and challenges. Could we ever harness the power of these phenomena to explore the far reaches of the universe? And what would be the implications for our understanding of space and time? Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of faster-than-light travel, exploring both the scientific theories and the mind-bending paradoxes they present. Now, let's move on to one of the most profound questions in science and philosophy. What is consciousness? Stay tuned. The nature of reality simulations and multiverses. Have you ever wondered if our reality is just a sophisticated simulation? Or perhaps are we living in one of countless parallel universes? These questions push the boundaries of our understanding of existence and have intrigued scientists, philosophers, and futurists alike. The idea that our universe could be a simulation has gained traction with advancements in technology and computational power. Could we be part of a vast simulated reality created by an advanced civilization? On the other hand, the concept of the multiverse suggests that our universe is just one of many, each with its own set of physical laws and constants. This theory has profound implications for our understanding of reality, suggesting that every possible outcome of every event could be happening somewhere in these alternate realms. Join us as we explore the mind-bending theories of simulations and multiverses and what they mean for our perception of reality. Now, let's move on to one of the most profound questions in science and philosophy. What is consciousness? Stay tuned. The ethical dilemma of superintelligent AI, navigating the moral complexities of advanced artificial intelligence. As we inch closer to creating machines that can surpass human intelligence, we are faced with profound ethical questions. What responsibilities do we hold towards these intelligent entities? How do we ensure that their actions align with human values and ethics? The potential for AI to revolutionize our world is immense, but so are the risks. From ensuring unbiased decision-making to preventing malicious use, the ethical landscape is fraught with challenges. As we forge ahead in this brave new world, it is crucial to ponder these dilemmas to safeguard our future. Now, let's delve deeper into one of the most profound questions in science and philosophy. What is consciousness? Stay tuned. The mysteries of memory in the human brain. Unraveling the secrets of how we remember and forget. Memory is a fundamental aspect of our existence, shaping our identity and guiding our decisions. But how does the brain store and retrieve these memories? From the intricate networks of neurons to the biochemical processes that encode our experiences, the science of memory is as fascinating as it is complex. Researchers are continually uncovering new insights into how memories are formed, consolidated, and sometimes lost. Understanding these mechanisms not only helps us grasp the essence of our own minds, but also holds the potential to address memory-related disorders. Join us as we explore the enigmatic processes that allow us to remember our past and envision our future. Now, let's delve deeper into one of the most profound questions in science and philosophy. What is consciousness? Stay tuned. The role of emotions in shaping memory. Emotions play a pivotal role in how we remember and perceive the world around us. From the joy of a cherished childhood memory to the fear of a traumatic event, our emotions can enhance and sometimes distort our recollections. But why do emotional experiences leave such a lasting imprint on our minds? Neuroscientists have found that the amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure in the brain, is crucial in processing emotions and consolidating emotional memories. This connection between emotion and memory can influence our behavior, decisions, and even our mental health. By understanding the interplay between emotion and memory, we can gain insights into conditions like PTSD, anxiety, and depression, and develop better therapeutic approaches. As we continue to uncover the complexities of the human brain, we move closer to understanding the intricate tapestry of our emotions and memories. Now let's delve deeper into one of the most profound questions in science and philosophy. What is consciousness? Stay tuned.
From the simplest single-celled organism to the incredible complexity of the human brain, life is a wonder. But how did it all begin? How did we go from a lifeless planet to a world teeming with such diversity? Well, hold on to your hats, because we're going back in time billions of years ago to the early Earth. Imagine a young planet, still reeling from its formation, volcanoes spewing molten rock, and an atmosphere very different from the one we breathe today. Not exactly a welcoming place, right? Yet, somewhere in this primordial soup, life emerged. The prevailing scientific hypothesis is that life arose from non-living matter through a process called abiogenesis. Over eons, these molecules assembled into more complex structures, eventually forming self-replicating molecules, the precursors to DNA. These early self-replicating molecules were enclosed in membranes, forming the first cells. From these humble beginnings, life began its epic journey of evolution.
Death and taxes, as the saying goes, are the only certainties in life. But what if we could cheat death, or at least postpone it indefinitely? The idea of extending human lifespan has captivated our imaginations for centuries, from the fountain of youth myths to modern-day anti-aging research. But is it really possible to live for hundreds of years, or even achieve immortality? Well, the answer, like most things in science, is complicated. Aging is a complex process involving a multitude of factors, from cellular damage to genetic mutations. Scientists are making remarkable strides in understanding these processes, and they're developing interventions that could potentially slow down or even reverse aging. But extending lifespan isn't just about finding the right scientific breakthroughs. It also raises profound ethical and societal questions. One thing's for sure. The quest to live longer is ultimately a quest to understand the fundamental nature of life itself. In the realm of physics, we have these two incredibly successful theories: quantum mechanics, which describes the weird and wonderful world of atoms and subatomic particles, And general relativity, Einstein's masterpiece that explains gravity as the curvature of space-time. The problem is, these two theories seem to disagree with each other at the most fundamental level. It's like they're speaking different languages. Quantum mechanics describes the universe as inherently probabilistic, with particles existing in multiple states at once. General relativity, on the other hand, describes a smooth, deterministic universe governed by precise mathematical equations. One of the biggest challenges is to understand what happens at the singularity of a black hole, or the very beginning of the universe. These are points where gravity is so extreme that both quantum mechanics and general relativity break down. To solve this cosmic conundrum, physicists have been searching for a theory of everything, a grand unified theory that can explain all the forces of nature, including gravity, at both the quantum and cosmic scales. The search for a theory of everything is one of the most challenging and exciting frontiers in physics.
We humans are an ambitious bunch, aren't we? We've conquered the land, explored the depths of the oceans, and even ventured into space. But one frontier that remains tantalizingly out of reach is faster-than-light travel.
Einstein's theory of special relativity tells us that nothing can travel faster than the speed of light in a vacuum.
But that hasn't stopped physicists and science fiction writers from imagining ways to break this seemingly insurmountable barrier. One hypothetical concept is the warp drive, a device that could distort space-time itself, creating a bubble around a spacecraft that allows it to effectively travel faster than light without actually breaking the cosmic speed limit.
Another mind-bending idea is wormholes, theoretical tunnels through space-time that could connect distant parts of the universe, allowing for shortcuts that would make interstellar travel a breeze. Despite the challenges, the dream of faster-than-light travel continues to inspire us.
We've talked about the mysteries of the universe, the wonders of life, and the mind-bending possibilities of physics. But here's the thing, none of it matters if we don't address the urgent challenge facing our planet right now: climate change. This isn't some distant threat, folks. It's happening right now. We're seeing more extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and widespread disruptions to ecosystems. The evidence is overwhelming, and the scientific consensus is clear. Human activity, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, is the primary driver of this crisis. But here's the good news. We have the power to change course. We have the technology, the ingenuity, and the resources to transition to a cleaner, more sustainable future. It's not going to be easy, and it will require a collective effort from individuals, governments, and industries. We need to invest in renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and geothermal. The future of our planet and the future of humanity depends on the choices we make today.
Artificial intelligence. It's no longer the stuff of science fiction. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is rapidly becoming a part of our everyday lives. But what happens when machines become so intelligent that they surpass human capabilities? What happens when we create AI that can think, learn, and make decisions on par with or even exceeding our own abilities? On the one hand, superintelligent AI has the potential to revolutionize our world in countless positive ways. Imagine AI helping us solve some of the world's most pressing problems, like curing diseases, developing sustainable energy sources, and even exploring the cosmos in ways we haven't even dreamed of. But there's also a darker side to this technological coin. What happens when AI becomes so advanced that it no longer needs us, or worse, sees us as a threat? We need to develop ethical guidelines for AI development, ensure that AI is aligned with human values, and create mechanisms for human oversight and control. The future of AI is ultimately up to us.
Our memories, they define who we are. They're the stories we tell ourselves, the experiences that shape our identities. But have you ever stopped to wonder how these memories are formed, stored, and sometimes frustratingly forgotten? The human brain is the most complex structure in the known universe, and memory is one of its most fascinating and mysterious functions. It's not like a computer hard drive where data is stored neatly in files. Instead, memories are distributed throughout the brain, encoded in networks of neurons connected by synapses. When we experience something new, our brains create new connections between neurons. The more we recall that experience, the stronger these connections become, like a well-trodden path in a forest. But memories are also surprisingly fragile. They can be influenced by emotions, distorted by time, and even completely erased. Scientists are still trying to understand why we forget. Sometimes it's due to interference from other memories, like trying to remember where you parked your car in a crowded lot. Other times it's because the neural connections that encode the memory weaken over time, especially if we don't recall them frequently. Despite the mysteries surrounding memory, one thing is clear. It's a fundamental part of what makes us human. Our memories connect us to our past, shape our present, and guide us towards the future.
Wow, we've covered some serious ground today, haven't we? From the mysteries of consciousness to the challenges of climate change, we've explored some of the biggest questions facing humanity. But the journey doesn't end here. In fact, it's just the beginning. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. And that's okay. It's the unknown that keeps us curious, keeps us exploring, keeps us pushing the boundaries of knowledge. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you next time.